Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete IRS Form 4797, which is used to report the sale or exchange of business property. So this includes things like equipment, buildings, or other assets used in a business. So this form is important because it helps determine if you had a gain or a loss from the sale and how it should be reported on your tax return. So go ahead and open the PDF of Form 4797 on your screen so that you can follow along step by step. At the top of the form here, start by entering your name and identifying number exactly as shown on your tax return. Then move down to part 1. So this section is for property held for more than 1 year. And here you'll also enter the description of the property, the date that you acquired it, the date that you sold it, and the gross sales price. After that, include the depreciation allowed and the cost of adjusted basis. The form will guide you to calculate your gain or loss. Next, continue to part 2. This section is for property held 1 year or less. The process is very similar. You'll list the same details and calculate the result the same way. Now go to part 3, which focuses on certain types of property like depreciable assets. And in this part, you'll walk through columns for each property, entering the sales price, depreciation, and adjusted basis. Then follow the lines to calculate any gain that needs to be reported. After that, check part 4. This part is used if the business use of property dropped to a 50% or less. You'll also enter any depreciation and calculate the recapture amount if needed. So once everything is filled out, review all the entries carefully and make sure that the totals are correct before transferring the final numbers to your main tax return. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.